So normally on a website, we can only capture leads of people who fill out a form, message us on a chat widget, or book an appointment on our calendar. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can gather contact information of people that don't do any of this, people that just visit your site and click off of it. We can gather their names, emails, and phone numbers. The way we're able to capture the information, names, emails, and phone numbers of people that don't opt in any way on our website is through a software called Customers.ai. You can check it out down below. You can start using it for free and you can get your first 500 leads from it for free. And then they have a couple different options for pricing, but you can go and start using it for free. And so you can sign up down below this video. Once you're inside of the platform, you're just going to go to get leads, and then we're going to click X-ray pixel. And this X-ray pixel is basically a line of code that we need to copy. And so if we click down here, install or verify X-ray pixel, we can see it integrates with a couple different website builders. We're just going to go to install manually because we want to install ours in this video for a GoHighLevel website. And so I'm going to click install manually. Over here, it gives us this code. If you need to watch this video here, you can, but I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. I'm going to copy the code right here. And all we have to do is jump into GoHighLevel. We need to go to a website or a funnel that we want to capture more leads on. Let's say it's a funnel. And let's say it's this, I don't know, this one right here that I was working on earlier. We can go to our funnel here. We're going to go to settings, and then we're going to go to the head tracking code. It works the exact same way on any other website builder you're using. You just want to go to the head tracking code section and paste in this X-ray code from Customers.ai. We're going to click save, and that's literally it. So now we're going to go back to Customers.ai once that's saved there. And then we're going to click X out of here. We're going to type in our domain here. So I'm going to go back, grab the domain link for this funnel, and then we're going to paste it here. You need to make sure to publish the site before this will work. So I'm going to click test it, and it should see that we pasted that code onto our website, and it should give us the good to go. So we're just going to wait for this to load really quick. And then it says, congratulations, everything was set up properly. Awesome. So now we want all of our leads that we capture or that Customers.ai captures for us of people that just come to our website. They don't have to fill out a form, message on a chat widget, do anything. They literally just come to the website, and Customers.ai pulls that person's cookies or whatever from a huge database of information that they have, and it can track and find that person's email, their phone number, their full name. You can get about 30% of all online traffic's names, emails, and phone numbers. So they can't get everybody that comes to your site's information, but they can get 30%. So it's a pretty big amount, and it'll just add to your list of leads and contacts that you can reach out to and market to. And so anytime we capture a lead through our site, we want it to automatically import that lead into GoHighLevel, into our CRM. And so we're going to go up to integrations right here in our dashboard in Customers.ai. Then we're going to scroll down and we're going to find the native GoHighLevel integration that they already have built in. I've already connected it, but basically what you're going to do is you're going to click on it and you're going to click add account, and it'll ask you to log into your GoHighLevel account, and then it'll tell you to add whatever sub account you want these leads to flow into. Because inside of GoHighLevel we have different sub accounts here. I've got this one, so I connected it to this one. But you're going to select the sub account from a drop down in here. You can see my sub account here that I've connected it to. And then you can also tell it to add a specific tag to these leads so you can differentiate them from the other leads that you're capturing through your website and inside of your GoHighLevel account. So I typed in this X-ray leads tag. So I created it right here. I just did X-ray leads. So I know anytime I get a lead and I can look in my contacts tab, if it has the X-ray leads tag next to it, that Customers.ai helped me gather that person. And so I can just kind of keep everybody organized that way. And so you just type that in, click add. I already added mine. And then just select the sub account, like I said before, right here from the drop down of all your sub accounts. And you can do this for your business. You can do this for your clients inside of GoHighLevel, and you can attach this to their website so that you can help them capture more leads for their business of people that they never would have gotten the information for because that person was never going to fill out a form or message them, but they can gather it using Customers.ai, which is awesome. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to jump into my HighLevel account and show you in the past 2 days. I just got this 2 days ago, installed it on one of my websites, and I've already gotten 10 leads of people that didn't fill out anything on my site. They just visited my site and they clicked off of it. But Customers.ai was able to gather those people's information, and then it imported them right into my GoHighLevel contacts tab so I can follow up with them, reach out to them. I can say, hey, saw that you visited my site, and wanted to see if you're interested in whatever we're offering on our website. So you can see over here on the right, we have all these tags here. So you'll see, boom, here's an X-Rays lead tag. So that was a person, they captured her name, email, and phone number using Customers.ai, which is awesome. That's somebody I never would have gotten in the first place because she was probably never going to fill out a form or do anything on my website. But Customers.ai was able to find her in the database using cookies tracking, and they were able to give me her information. So now I can reach out to her. I'm going to make the page size a little bit bigger here. I'm going to make it 100 so we can see how many. There's the first one right there, and then boom, here's another one. Boom, here's another one. Those were all on the same day, by the way. Here's another one. Here's another one. So these were all just yesterday that these came in. Boom, here's another one, another one. So another one, another one. So I sound like DJ Khaled right now, but basically we're gathering all these leads, names, emails, and phone numbers of people that we never would have gotten in the first place. They were never going to fill that form out, book a call with us, whatever we needed to do to gather that person's info. Customers.ai is getting it for us. So it's giving us 30% more leads than we ever would have captured. So really, really powerful software. It does a couple other things. You can use these emails for lookalike audiences on Facebook. So if you're running Facebook ads and you want to create audiences of people that are into your product or interested in your product, you can create lookalike audiences off of them. And basically it'll retarget those people or people similar to them for your Facebook ads when you're doing retargeting or just initial targeting. And so very, very powerful software. They have 3 different options for plans. They've got the $99 per month plan, which gives you 500 X-ray leads, and they give you 3 sub accounts. So basically 3 different clients that you can resell this to as a feature and as a new way to help them capture more leads through their websites. The agency plan gives you 1,500 X-ray leads a month. Any additional, they just charge you per lead, which is totally fine and totally fair. And then they give you 10 sub accounts. And then the agency plan is $4.99 a month. Give you 50 sub accounts and 3,500 X-ray leads per month. Really, really cool. Basically, you get 500 free. So I'm still on the free trial. Like I haven't even broken into the paid plans yet, and I haven't had to upgrade. I'm still on my first, 500. I think I've gathered like 20 so far in the past 2 days, which is awesome. Just 20 additional leads that I never would have gotten. But because of Customers.ai, they can find that information from us or for us, and they can send it right to our CRM, right to GoHighLevel. So I would just start on the free plan, and then if you're wanting to upgrade later on and you're wanting to start reselling this to your clients and installing this pixel on their websites so that they can start getting those leads, then absolutely upgrade and go for one of these. And as I said before, down below this video, you can get your free trial of Customers.ai. You don't even have to put in your card information, and it doesn't even end. It ends after you get your first 500 contacts through their software. And so there's no time limit. Like you could have it running for months and you're still not paying for the software. So check that out down below. And if you're just jumping into the HighLevel world and you're looking to start building websites for local businesses along with the software, the GoHighLevel software, you can get my free website SaaS masterclass down below. It walks you through step by step how to set up the websites, how to set up the software for businesses, charging them a setup fee and a monthly subscription so you can start making money online. And also, I didn't post as many YouTube videos this week because I'm working on a free community called HighLevel Quest. It's going to be a community that you can join. You can see all my courses inside of it. You can level up and get different ranks and different free prizes as you level up. And you can just rub shoulders with other people who are working on this same business model, and you can all grow together. You can join the waitlist for that down below. It's going to be out in a week or 2 weeks, and so go ahead and join that waitlist down below. If the waitlist link isn't down there, it'll just be the direct link to the community. If you're watching this a few weeks later and the community has already started, then go ahead and join the community down below. But if not, join the waitlist, and I'll let you know as soon as it's released. And you'll get a bunch of free prizes if you join in the first week, so make sure to join that waitlist so you can be notified. I appreciate y'all sticking through to the end of the video. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.